Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows 11 build and that your wireless adapter is present in Device Manager. This matters because drivers differ by build. Open Settings, go straight to Personalization, then Taskbar to check tray behavior. You want the network icon enabled. Next, pull down the Quick Settings panel to see if the icon is hidden in the overflow. Once done, restart File Explorer to apply simple UI changes before moving to driver work. Now focus on drivers and services. Open Device Manager and update the wireless adapter driver, or roll back if a recent update caused the issue. While you do that, open Services and restart WLAN Auto Config and Network Connections. These services control icon visibility and connectivity state. Then run the built-in Network Adapter Troubleshooter as administrator to let Windows detect missing icon states and corrupted settings. Finish by re-registering taskbar components. Run the recommended PowerShell command to refresh shell experience, then sign out and sign back in. If the icon still won't appear, create a new local user to check whether the problem is profile-specific. If it appears there, migrate settings. Finally, run SFC and DISM or usystem restore to recover system files. If none of that works, the key troubleshooting tip is to test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter to separate hardware faults from OS issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.